Welcome once again to Green Sports Highlights. Today we'll be presenting you with the top 5 best defenders in the Premier League 2020. Guys, if you like what we do here and what we show on our video, please do try as much as possible to subscribe to our channel and also tap the bell icon so that you always get first notification whenever we upload new videos. As we all know that defenders in the Premier League are also part of the game, and as the football game is being a game of entertainment and fun for the fans, it serves as a game of competition for the players involved. And actually, not all players are actually best in their respective positions. So, which is why some players have been set aside as the best in their various positions and divisions. For today, we'll be going back to check out the top 5 best defenders in the Premier League. Before we go into that aspect deeply, we'll just run a list of the top 5 best defenders which we actually consider to be the best 5 defenders in the Premier League. First on the list is Virgil van Dijk of Liverpool. We have second, which is John Egan of Sheffield United. We have third on the list, which is Joe Gomez of Liverpool. We have number 4 on our list here, which is Conor Coady of Wolverhampton Wanderers. Then number 5 is John Evans of Leicester City. First on our list here is Virgil van Dijk. He was born on the 8th July 1991 and he's from Netherlands. He plays the centre-back position for his present club, Liverpool FC. Virgil van Dijk is a professional football player that handles the role of the centre-back defender for his club, Liverpool FC, in the Premier League, and also plays for the Netherlands national team as their captain. Virgil van Dijk started his football career in the year 2011 with the Groningen, and later on he moved to Celtic in the year 2013, where he aided the team in winning the Scottish Premiership. Then later on in September 2015, he moved on to the Premier League side where he started playing for Southampton FC, and in the year 2018, he joined Liverpool for a transfer fee of £75 million, which was a world record transfer fee for a defender. So Virgil van Dijk, with an average of 5 clearances per game, he makes all the difference defensively for the Liverpool side. And he has actually helped their club presently in stepping up their game in the Premiership, winning the Champions League, and lots more. Second on our list here is John Egan, who currently plays for Sheffield United. He was given birth to on the 20th of October 1992. He's an Irishman, and his place of birth was Cork, Ireland. Presently, he plays a defensive role for Sheffield United. John Egan has been one of the recent revelations in the English Premier League, and you just cannot miss him out of the game. Followers of the league will testify to this, that the Irishman has recently excelled in stamping his presence in the games and making his goal area impenetrable by attackers. He has supreme confidence and he marks attackers out of the game boldly, even star players with mad skills. John Egan is not afraid of dribblers. He will continue to stay on the attacker until he has proven his point. Another good thing about John Egan is that he is very good with the ball in the air, and he also has very good and perfect positioning for the upcoming opponents. And he has good concentration also, and also that takes him to a top notch in the game, and this also helps him to read the game excellently well. So the third player on our list here is Joe Gomez of Liverpool. He's a British national, and he was given birth to on the 23rd of May 1997. He plays the role of the centre back for Liverpool FC. And Joe Gomez is a defensive partner to Virgil van Dijk at Liverpool Football Club. As you might understand, when you play with a bigger star, it becomes more difficult for people to actually see your contributions to the team. Nevertheless, we know that Joe Gomez is brave, maybe even braver than Virgil van Dijk, because Joe Gomez actually charges and does the charges towards the attackers, while Virgil van Dijk acts as a sweeper most of the times, cleaning up those balls and using his imposing height to clear area balls as well. So Joe Gomez also, alongside with Virgil van Dijk, has made a very good measure up for the club, and he's also an excellent defender as well. Next on our list here, which is the fourth person, is Conor Coady. Conor Coady was given birth to on the 25th of February 1993. He's a British national, and he currently plays for Wolverhampton Wanderers, and he plays a defensive role for that club as well. And one good thing about Conor Coady is that he soaks a lot of pressure from the attackers. The Englishman has the mentality of a champion and has been absolutely phenomenal in his team. He has the endurance and can play every game of the season without wearing out. Conor Coady is good in the air, and he has good pressure in terms of passing the game. When he gets the ball, he quickly passes to an available teammate as well, and in the inevitable result of the ball goes deep into the opponent's danger area. Fifth on our list is Jonny Evans, fully known as Jonathan Great Evans. He was born on the 3rd of January 1988. He plays a defensive role for his present club, Leicester City. He's a defensive stalwart who is absolutely dominant in the air. Jonny Evans is very aware, and he reads the danger exceedingly well, covering the gaps and making sure there is no way for the attacking opponent. His passing accuracy is best to none, and he rarely ever wastes the ball. Jonny Evans is actually hard-working while on the pitch, especially and even when Leicester City are against superior opponents that put them under pressure. He also ensures that he fights for every ball, showing that he will not be intimidated no matter what the pressure the opponent may put on them. Thank you guys for your time. This is what we have for you today for the best 5 top defenders we can talk of in the Premier League session. Do try your best once again, if you consider our clip very interesting, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Green Sports Gallery, and also tap the bell icon so that you always get first notification update whenever we upload new video. Stay tuned, and once again, thank you very much for your time.